Hey guys, welcome to my channel Football Guide and Analysis.
Manchester United and Chelsea played out a goalless draw in their Premier League clash at Old Trafford. It was a game of few chances, but the best ones fell to Marcus Rashford. He was denied twice by Mendy as the Chelsea keeper produced two excellent saves, including one in the 90th minute, to earn the Blues a point. So neither side deserved 3 points, making the draw a fair result in Manchester. Manchester United are without a home league win in 5 games. So in the last five home games, they drew thrice and lost 2 matches. So let's check out what are the positive and negatives of this match. So positives from Manchester United side. There was a gradual increase in attacking output from the United, and in the last half hour they were starting to make some progress in the final third. They never seemed to really panic on the ball, and their tight defensive line for the most part ensured that Ole Gunnar Solskjaer's men were able to neutralize Chelsea's star-studded forwards at every available opportunity. So the main positives are defender Aaron Wan-Bissaka and Victor Lindelof. Some perfect interceptions, blocks, and tackles have earned Aaron Wan-Bissaka a man of the match performance. So Victor Lindelof is one of the main points United defended well. He never went out of his way to create any risk and overall stuck to his task well in a solid defensive showing. So the negatives from Manchester United side. At times United did allow Chelsea too much space, which meant the visitors could walk through the gaps in midfield and on another day could have exploited that. But Warner and Pulisic and Havertz were not up to the mark yesterday, so they could not utilize those portions. Harry Maguire is one of the negative points for yesterday's match. While Maguire may not have put a foot wrong in his centre back duties, he was certainly fortunate not to concede a penalty in the first half. The positives from Chelsea side. There were some lovely passing patterns from the Blues at points as they played out from the back. They also looked strong defensively, being troubled very few times by Manchester United, though that was partly due to how quiet the attackers in Manchester United shirts were. Frank Lampard seems determined to get clean sheets, and he got one here. So the positive performances from Chelsea sides are the goalkeeper Mendy, defender Thiago Silva, and midfielder Reece James. Goalkeeper Mendy made an absolutely perfect save that almost resulted in a goal from Marcus Rashford. Defender Thiago Silva is definitely growing into his role in Chelsea's defense and looked comfortable for the majority of the game, and he has marked Cavani very well. Chelsea's attack were the negative points from Chelsea side. Forward Kai Havertz, Timo Werner, and Christian Pulisic all were very poor yesterday. Timo Werner worked hard and even tracked back very well, but was ultimately pretty easy for the United defenders to deal with. The same goes with Pulisic and Havertz because their attack were not up to the mark and their passing was also not fine yesterday. Cavani was not impressive enough and Luke Shaw also played very poor. Some mid-tier teams like Southampton, West Brom have scored 3 goals against Chelsea, but Manchester United were unable to score a goal against the same team. So that was a main negative point from yesterday's match. This was the review and analysis of yesterday's Manchester United versus Chelsea match. So if you have liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell button to receive notifications.